Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about web transaction logs. Let's understand what is a web transaction log means. Web transactions or just a transaction in e-payments is a sequence of URLs combined into one complex process. Here in web transactions, the sequence of n number of transactions which are happening in e-commerce payment sites will be compiled together and it is going to be established as a single process. So in doing this, the URLs of all individual transactions are collected and compiled together into a single set of process. In e-commerce, a web transaction can be defined as a sequence of activities performed by the user to achieve a specific goal related to a step of business transaction through a web-based application. For an example, if a consumer enters into the e-commerce site for purchase of product, right from his login until his payment has been made, the transactions involved were all captured and it gets stored in a database. So those all individual transactions are called as web transaction logs. We will briefly see what are all the highlights of web transaction logs. Web transaction logs are built into a web server software itself. Any of the web servers or software will have this transaction logs. It records all the activities happening at the website. It provides much marketing data, especially combined with registration form and shopping cart database. This web transaction logs, when they are compiled with the registration forms of the consumers and also with the shopping cart database, could give us a lot of insight about the marketing data that could be used for a business purposes. And this web transaction logs answers questions such as what are the major patterns of interest and purchase, and also after home page, where do the customers go in a sequence can also be identified. Here you can see a basic example of a transaction logs which get recorded when a customer enters into a e-commerce website, or in case it can be connected to any other websites as well. So this is how the transaction log will look like. Every transaction will get recorded at the database in the respective format. Here are a few characteristics of web transaction logs. It records users' activities at a website. It is built into a web server software. It provides marketing data and also it helps in data mining to assist decision making. Other than this, there are a lot of other characteristics of web transaction logs as well, which helps in identifying the patterns. Thank you.